मैं हूं कौशिक विश्वास। ए लर्निंग चैनल में आपका स्वागत है। इस वीडियो में आप देखेंगे और सीखेंगे कि एक बार में पीएसएसआर एग्जिट एग्जाम कैसे पास करें। यह वीडियो क्लास में पीएसएसआर एग्जिट एग्जाम के ऊपर 50 प्रश्नों और उत्तरों पर चर्चा की गई है। इस वीडियो क्लास के अंत में कुछ टिप्स एंड ट्रिक्स दी गई हैं। मेरी गारंटी है कि यदि आप इन प्रश्नों के उत्तर याद कर सकते हैं तो आप एक ही बार में यह परीक्षा पास कर सकते हैं। अभी तक अगर आपने ये चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किए हैं तो अभी सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और बेल आइकॉन को जरूर क्लिक करके हमारे साथ बने रहिए। चलिए शुरू करते हैं।
A book for maintaining complete records on garbage transfers to ship, Shaw? Answer is Garbage Log. A book for maintaining complete records on oil transfers within and outside? Answer is Oil Record Book. A limit of % on the sulfur content of marine fuel oil will apply designated SOx emission control area. Answer is 4.5%. A Suezmax crude carrier is ideally termed to be of the size? Answer is 80,000 to 119,000 dwt. Advantages of written communication method? Answer is highly technical topics can be presented using words and diagrams. Annex IV of MARPOL deals with sewage. How does it affect shipboard operations concerning processing and treatment of sewage? Answer is the regulations are not yet universally in force, but a number of countries have adopted them and have stringent regulations. As per MARPOL Annex 1 definition, special area means? Answer is areas as defined by Annex 1, where special mandatory methods are adopted for the prevention of sea pollution by oil. As per MARPOL requirements, every crude oil tanker of tons deadweight and above delivered after the 1st of June 1982 shall be fitted with a cargo tank cleaning system using? Answer is 20,000 crude oil washing. At sea, if someone fell overboard and you did not know over which side the person fell, you should Answer is stop the propellers from turning and throw a lifebuoy over the side. Boiler suits or overalls is provided to protect? Answer is skin. Correct use of life-saving appliances should be demonstrated to crew as soon as possible, but not later than Answer is 2 weeks. Damage suffered by a passenger in vessel? Answer is Athens Convention. Disadvantages of written communication method? Answer is the preparation of written documents is time-consuming. Disposal of used, expired chemical container should be done by? Answer is burning in incinerator. Drills must be held within of sailing if more than 25% of the crew is changed at the last port? Answer is 24 hours. Dumping of wastes at sea is controlled by which of the following IMO conventions? Answer is London Convention. Instructions for onboard maintenance of life-saving appliances shall be easily understood and illustrated wherever possible. Which of the following items do not necessarily have to be included in the instructions according to present regulations? Answer is checklist for periodic inspections. Redness in the eye can be caused by? Answer is lack of oxygen. Responsible for any fine incurred to vessel because of him on drug abuse? Answer is crew member. Safety committee meeting is held on board? Answer is every month. Safety helmets are to be used during work to protect? Answer is head. Ship's personnel not allowed to commence duty with a blood alcohol concentration greater than? Answer is 0.02%. The contingency plans should identify various types of emergencies which may arise on a particular ship and may include? Answer is allocation of duties and responsibilities. The designated SECA SOx emission control areas. Answer is both A and B. The master is responsible that all crew participate in monthly emergency drills. If 25% of the crew or more has not participated in such drill during the last month, what is the time limit to conduct such a drill after the vessel has left a port? Answer is within 24 hours. The master may conduct random unannounced alcohol tests at least? Answer is monthly. The maximum permissible limit for blood alcohol content is? Answer is 40 mg 100 milliliters. Toolbox talk conducted? Answer is before every job. What does Annex 3 of MARPOL 7378 deal with? Answer is harmful substances in packaged form. What is the danger when working on oily surfaces? Answer is slips. What is the danger when working with sharp tools? Answer is cuts. What is the main reason for having a person positioned immediately outside a confined space whilst work is taking place inside it? Answer is to get the rescue plan underway in an emergency. What is the maximum validity of a permit to work? Answer is 12 hours. What is the most likely cause of particle in eye? Answer is flying dust.